How to make group chat on iPhone. To make a group chat on iPhone, first of all, go ahead and open up the default messaging app on your iPhone. Then, tap on the icon at the top right corner to create a new message. Now, in the recipient box, type the name from your contacts. Then, you need to go to the chat box over here. Type a message in the box. Then, tap the send button just beside the chat box. Now, tap on the profiles at the top of your screen. Here, you can see a group of 3 people that I created for myself. Here, I can send messages to both of them, and they will be able to view the message at the same time. We share media and our locations through this group. By following these simple steps, you can easily make a group chat on your iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.